The supply chain has become critically important for many organizations, and with the bottlenecks and disruptions that we see today, it's important to know how to best manage yours. Integral with your supply chain is the facility you use to store and ship your products. What types of facilities are there, and what tools can you use to best manage yours? There are two main types of product housing facilities: warehouses and distribution centers. While both terms are often used interchangeably and the two share common features, there are important differences that are worth noting. Let's take a closer look at each type of facility. First, we have warehouses. Warehouses store vast volumes of products over long periods of time. These include raw materials, components or parts, and finished products. All these products are stored until they are ready to be shipped to the end customer. There are four types of warehouses: private, public, bonded, and smart warehouses. Private warehouses are owned and used by only one company to store their products. They're very expensive to manage and give the company complete control and autonomy over the warehouse activities. Public warehouses are used by more than one company or individual to store their products. They're the most common type of warehouse. There are also bonded warehouses in areas which are used to store imported duty-bill goods. Customs authorities maintain control of goods housed in bonded warehouses until all duties have been paid in full, after which items can be transferred to non-bonded storage areas and facilities. While dedicated bonded warehouse facilities do exist, warehouses more commonly have a secure, fenced-off area to store their imported goods. Finally, there are smart warehouses. These are buildings in which raw materials and manufactured goods are stored using machines and computers to complete common warehouse operations previously performed by humans. Now let's talk about distribution centers. Distribution centers hold large quantities of products over both the short and long term and distribute them to various channels such as wholesale and retail stores and end customers. In addition to storing products, a distribution center also offers value-added services such as product mixing, packaging, cross-docking, and order fulfillment. There are three different types of distribution centers: conventional, mechanized, and automated. Conventional distribution centers feature manual workers who use a variety of equipment to move products around the facility. Mechanized distribution centers are similar to conventional distribution centers, but they also use automated sorting systems to support workers. Finally, automated distribution centers contain automated machinery that handles most of the work, leading to faster and more efficient processes. Now that you understand the main differences between warehouses and distribution centers, how can you best run each facility? Warehouses and distribution centers use a warehouse management system, or WMS, to coordinate incoming and outgoing shipments. WMS solutions also include inventory placement features to help maximize available storage space. Distribution centers require WMS solutions with more extensive capabilities such as cross-dock shipping and order fulfillment. Additionally, many organizations use enterprise resource planning systems, or ERPs, designed with functionality to support distribution centers. ERP software is the complete package, offering a company a broader reach in terms of functionality scope. Warehouse management systems focus more on logistics and warehouse inventory, and thus require support from other applications to formulate cohesive operation mechanisms. ERP is a broad operational system, whereas WMS is a fit for a more in-depth and specific purpose of warehouse management. A distribution ERP system allows distributors and third-party logistics providers to manage all their operations within a single streamlined system. An ERP for distribution solution may be adequate for most small and mid-sized companies. Warehouses and DCs that require in-depth functionality to support incoming and outgoing shipments as well as value-added services can consider a WMS as a separate integrated solution to an ERP for distribution systems. Now that you've learned a little bit about these different types of facilities and systems to run them, it's important to ask whether you are using the right system to run your facility now and as you grow. Without the right type of system, your operations may not run at maximum efficiency. Whether you need a warehouse management system and/or an ERP for distribution, we can help you find the best fit software solution you need to best run your business now and in the future. Contact us today to learn more. We are technology evaluation centers. The choice is clear.